Back to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of DiDi Global, and today the stock is down 6.17%, trading at $2.35. So we've had some PR coming from DiDi, not too much, but at least something directly linked to the company, and one which was beyond the control of the company. All of these favorable PR, and then of course that worked to push the stock valuation of DiDi Global higher over the past couple of days, as you guys can see on the graph that we have pulled up for the 5-day trend of the stock. So beginning yesterday, let's see here. So we have that DiDi was in discussions to acquire a stake in the Sinomac Automobiles EV division, and that deal would have been worth, is worth about $150 million. So I don't know if they have completed the deal yet. DiDi Global, by the way, is a very huge operation. It employs about 24,000 people, and DiDi Global operates a mobility technology platform that provides ride-hailing and other services in the People's Republic of China, Brazil, Mexico, and internationally. It offers ride-hailing, taxi-hailing, chauffeur, hitch, and other forms of shared mobility services. Auto solutions comprising leasing, refueling, and maintenance and repair services, electric vehicle leasing services, and bike and e-bike sharing, intra-city freight, food delivery, and financial services. The company was formerly known as Xiaoju Kuaizhi Inc. and changed its name to DiDi Global in June 2021. DiDi Global Inc. was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Beijing, China. So the other thing that also affected the stock of DiDi Global is that the Chinese Communist Party is relaxing the tight grip that it had on tech companies in China. So what does that mean? It means that it makes it easier for these companies to go to foreign markets, raise funds. It makes it easier for them to deploy their services to international markets. And so the Chinese government doesn't have such a tight, restrictive grip on these companies. And of course, for businesses and for investors, that is always a good thing, because then the companies can take decisions that are in the interest of the company itself, the workers primarily, and then secondly, for the shareholders of the company. So that is always a good thing when you have such a good and progressive business environment and regulatory environment. It's always great for businesses. So those were the two things that happened. A relaxation on the grip of the Chinese government on tech companies, which was viewed favorably by the business community and investors. So they put their money in many more Chinese tech firms. And then secondly, you have the stake that they are trying to acquire in this EV vehicle manufacturer, and the stake is worth about $150 million. So two very positive things happening and coming together all within a week and pushing the stock valuation of DiDi Global higher. So even though we are seeing a 6% drop in the stock today, we are still higher than what the stock was last Friday. Let's see here. So last Friday, the stock was trading at about $1.86, 85 cents, and today, even with the 5.9% drop in the stock valuation, we are still looking at the stock trading at $2.35. The market capitalization of the company is at $11.43 billion, and the 52-week range is from $1.37 all the way up to $18. So we are still quite towards the lower end of the range, and there's still a lot of headroom for this stock to grow. Well, Today wasn't a good day on Wall Street. If you look at the top of your screens, everything seems to be in red. So it comes as no big surprise to see DiDi Global also, feeling the brunt of that downturn, which has been shown by Wall Street. Anyways, we think that irrespective of what happens, if you are playing the long-term game, there is still a lot of headroom for DiDi Global to grow. Thank you for your time. We grow at about 2 to 3 subscribers a day, at times even 1. We would like to see that number increase. So we have a small, nice community here. But if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please consider subscribing on your way out. And each and every new subscriber pushes us a little bit closer towards the 1,000 subscriber goal that we have fixed by the November midterm elections. Thank you for your time again, and bye.